I bet after watching me write the first Python program, you're ready to try it on your own. That's what this lab activity is all about.
This video is brought to you by OppiePy's Academy.
Now, this lab activity has slightly different versions for the Mac and PC, and that really just has to do with how you access the idle programming environment. Make sure you're using the right version for your particular platform. This lab will take you through all the steps to start idle and then go ahead and write your first Python program. I give you all the code. Once you write the program, you'll run it and test it inside of the command line environment. Two quick notes. I tend to use the words command line and terminal interchangeably. They just mean the same thing, so be aware of that. Secondly, when you're typing in code, and I have the code listed for you right here, be very, very careful. Because if you have a single character out of place or even sometimes missing a space, can cause the code to run incorrectly or not run at all. So be aware of that as you type the code. Take your time and type it correctly. Make sure, for example, this indentation right here and right here is consistent with each other because it needs to be for Python to process the code correctly. So good luck, have fun, and go write your first Python program.